How's it going, everyone? Just wanted to give you this video, give you an update from my last video that I did a few weeks ago. I'll put the link as well so you could click on it if you haven't seen it. I just wanted to give you some more information. Like I said, update you on some things that I've added to the ice bath that I purchased and just my daily use and my thoughts about my daily use and what I've been doing with it. There's a few things that I bought for here and I'm gonna go over them and explain them later on in the video. Just wanted to let you know my thoughts of it. This is a mod tub, but they use a Grizzly cooler in their product. It looks like an oversized Yeti cooler. Super nice product. Actually, no issues since I've gotten it. Great product. Very happy, and they have great customer service. Like I said, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments or check out my video that I had prior to this a few weeks ago. I honestly like using it after a workout when I'm sweaty. I mean, this is my garage. So when it's really hot outside after a good workout, coming in here it's really refreshing. In the morning, it's not a lie, it's a mental challenge to be able to get in here when you get out of bed. It's a whole other ballgame. But some products that I've gotten in here, got a little alligator or crocodile thermostat. Right now it says 45 degrees. So I got that. Typically, I started around the 56 degree mark because I just wanted to gradually get myself accustomed to it. I started lowering it and then I started putting it around 50, and then finally I just said, let me just go all the way down to the 39, which is the lowest that this goes. But putting it at 39 degrees and then you close it, that water's sitting in colder. So when I checked the thermostat that I just pulled out, it was 37 degrees. So coldest I ever got in there was 37 degrees, and it is a huge challenge to overcome. But it's not the most comfortable. So I typically have it at 48 degrees, and then the water is going to be a little colder, so it's 45. And that's the way I like to use it daily. But there's other products that I want to discuss, and I'm going to go through that right now. All right, so some of the items that I got. Well, one of them is a little pool net. So honestly, you got to have this, especially if you're getting in and out of workouts, any debris. Just go right through it, clean it out. I mean, it's helped me sometimes. I've had, after running and stuff, out on the grass, doing some bear crawls or something. So, also I got a food grade hydrogen peroxide. Got some condensation things as well, because the thermostat makes it so cold. And then I also got a UV filter. So there's certain aspects, I mean, I'm not a scientist, so what I will say is with the food grade hydrogen peroxide, it's mainly used to clean and disinfect products. You also have the UV water filter, which is a purifier that kills harmful microorganisms in the water. UV filters, the way they work is that it passes through like a chamber, and when it goes through the UV filter, there's a UV lamp in there that basically kills all bacteria. A lot of the bacteria in here is, I mean, you got bacteria, you have viruses, and you have protozoa. At first I was like, what's protozoa? So I had to look it up. Protozoa are like single-celled organisms, so they're like free-living, or like even like they're parasites. Basically, they can grow in the water. So that's the reason why you get one of these UV filters. There was other products as well that I was researching that you could add to it as well, but from the research that I did, I felt like this was sufficient. Another item that I got was this, if you're wondering what I have tied up on the side here. First day I used it, it's funny, I actually opened this up. I was excited but nervous at the same time to jump in this thing. Put my phone against the side here in the back. I got in. Next thing you know, when I jumped out, I hit it. And of course, my luck, it just dropped right inside. So yeah, I had to jump in there, dive and get my phone out of the water. That I freaked out and thought, that's it, I lost my phone. But yeah, I got this. With the attachment, put the phone there, close it, and now when I'm in there, I can actually, look at any videos, distract myself, and just focus on something else while I'm enjoying the benefits of this ice bath. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me in the comments. The link for the mod tub, the link for all the items that I got separately, I will provide everything to you. Really hope you enjoyed this video. Like I said, if there's anything else you want to ask me, if you want me to create another video or show you something differently, just reach out and I will be able to provide that to you, alright? Hope you enjoyed. Please like and subscribe. Thank you and have a nice day.